The scan data aligns perfectly with the 44 geometry, confirming the hangar dimensions.
Excellent.
The corrosion on the hangar is extensive.
Yes, and the stern section shows signs of catastrophic failure.
Look at the hangar section here. The corrosion is worse than the initial survey suggested. Copy that.
The structural integrity in Zone 4 is critical. The massive I-400, once a marvel of naval engineering, now
The I-400's massive cylindrical hangar, designed to house 3 floatplanes, is now succumbing to the deep.
Phase 1, the discovery of the legendary I-400, concludes. As the heavy frames near the hull, the ROVs provide crucial guidance. The margin for error here is virtually non-existent.
With planning complete and lift points secured, Phase 2 concludes. The team is now ready.
Hull movement is stabilized. We have 0 deviation.
Confirmed, engineer. All systems green. The I-400 is secure.
The drone tracks along the immense I-400. As the sonar sweeps the hull, we see the extent of the damage hidden beneath the rust. A true leviathan of the Second World War, the I-400 is slowly salvaged from the ocean floor. The successful raising of the I-400 marks a pivotal moment. Structural sensors confirm the hull remains.
The salvage team prepares the lift.
Cables locked on. Beginning ascent sequence. All systems green.
The towing attachments are now connected to the reinforced cradle hardpoints. Divers are verifying the locking pins and redundancy lines.
We have full tension on the main lines. The hull is responding.
Keep a close eye on that microfracture data.
As the tugboats reduce power, the true scale of the I-400's decay becomes apparent. The cradle system aligns perfectly.
Slow the starboard winch now.
Hold the line steady. We're clear on the port side.
We have first contact. Start the transfer sequence. Gauges are stabilizing at 50%. Looking good. Tension balanced. Proceed with incremental lift, maintaining current vector.
All right, bring the bridle up another foot. Watch your hands there, easy now. Clear.
This massive restoration effort is crucial to understanding the Japanese wartime engineering of the Sentoku class.
We're at maximum load on the bow cables. Proceed slowly.
Roger that. Engaging slow rotation now.
The I-400, a marvel of wartime engineering, is slowly revealing its secrets.
The stress fractures are extensive along the seam.
And the ultrasound confirms significant plate loss here. It's barely 6 millimeters.
This pitting is significant. We should ultrasound this entire plate before we commit to the splice.
Okay, I'll mark it hold for NDT.
Slide it slowly. The reading drops right here.
Okay, that confirms it. We'll cut along this line and reinforce the adjacent plate.
These are the exposed pressure hull rings of the I-400, revealing the immense scale and the significant damage the vessel.
Confirming diameter now. We have full circular geometry.
Pressure check is green. The new rings are secure.
Hundreds. Dubbed the I-400, this massive aircraft-carrying submarine is seen here in 1944 undergoing extensive...
How are the seams looking?
Right within the margin, we're cleared for the finish coat.
Vertical alignment confirmed. Rotation clearance is within tolerance.
Noted.
Data point logged and secured.
The corrosion around the hangar is severe. Stabilizing the structure of this legendary submarine is the first priority.
Bring the forward edge down another 5 millimeters.
5 millimeters, confirmed. Holding position.
Ring by ring, the compromised sections of the I-400 are separated. Precision cutting tools are essential to avoid ovalization during this delicate procedure.
The temporary fasteners hold the panel securely, allowing the team to complete the fitment checks along the seams and frame interfaces.
Lower slowly, we are almost there. 5 degrees to the left, watch the alignment.
The pressure hull of the I-400 shows a stark contrast. The original structure, heavily corroded, meets the new...
To restore the massive hull without distortion, old rings are meticulously removed and replaced one section at a time.
Hold it there.
All right, lower 5 centimeters, steady.
Installing these massive casing sections is a delicate process, restoring the hull integrity of this historic vessel.
The I-400, a marvel of wartime engineering, now undergoes this meticulous restoration, panel by panel.
Easy now, bring it down 5 centimeters.
Holding steady. Watch the seam on the starboard side.
All right, set it down, looks good.
Decades of corrosion have fused these critical components of the I-400's engine. Only careful application of heat and immense torque will break the seal.
Bring it down easy. Clear on the left. All right, start riveting.
Hold steady, easy on the drop.
Clear on this side.
All right, bring it down slowly.
The massive scale of the I-400 class is evident as the hull takes shape. Despite heavy damage,
A little lower, watch the port side clearance. Got it. Setting the house now.
the structural integrity of the hangar is paramount. We are meticulously replacing the corroded supports based on...
The alignment looks good here.
Confirmed. Structural continuity is well within limits.
After months of meticulous work, the continuous structural cylinder is complete, signaling readiness for the external casing.
Make sure the seating is flush before you tighten it.
Got it. Using the torque wrench now. We have lighting circuits active in the forward compartments.
Pressure is steady on the main ballast lines, and airflow is nominal, Chief.
The sheer scale of these vessels is breathtaking, even in this state of advanced decay.
Exercising the planes now. Movement is smooth.
Acknowledged. We have green on the linkage sensors.
Linkage movement is free.
Confirmed on the schematic. Check the continuity next.
The massive diesel engines, once the heart of the I-400, are carefully lowered into the hull.
This path goes directly to the main switchboard. We need to bag it separately.
Confirmed. The blueprints show the same layout.
We're seeing green across the board now. The pumps are cycling smoothly.
Confirmed. Logging the readings now.
Concept. Fabricated precisely to 1944 specifications, these new components stand in stark contrast to the heavy...
With the engines fully restored, the Leviathan awakens, ready for the final stages above the waterline.
Here we see the massive pressure hull of the I-400, stripped bare for the next phase of preservation.
The restored hangar roof, deck plating, and the towering conning tower now form a continuous structure.
Under the shipyard lights, the sheer scale of the I-400 is finally revealed. The restoration of the deck and hangar is now complete.
After months of work, the I-400's hull is finally sealed. This
is the I-400, the largest submarine of World War II. After years of meticulous work, the rest...
From wreck to restored legend, the journey is complete.